A lot of emotions in that one.
Wow.
Get out.
Oh.
Whoa.
Wow.
Fuck me. Whoa. Take a deep breath. Get out. Fuck. Wow. That was huge.
That popped. There you go. Now I can turn my head.
She came in with headaches around her temples.
So we gotta scoop this right here. That's
Watch her results at the end.
Pull her down. Take a deep breath. Get out.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Oh my god. What the heck? That was unreal. Wow.
God.
My god. That was so loud.
How'd it feel?
Amazing. Like, wow. I needed that. That was unreal. Like, wow. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I think I needed that for real.
Take a deep breath. Out. Whoa. Okay, so lean back.
Oh.
Remember this was an opening earlier?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, actually, I feel like move.
Yeah, and now you're like this small, I can't even adjust.
Oh my gosh. Damn.
Damn. Okay, take a deep breath. Let it out. One more time. Wow. Let it out.
Oh, God. Wow. Jen, shut up.
There you
Oh, shit.
It's so. And then right here. Perfect.
Oh.
Look up.
Oh, my God.
Wow.
Oh, whoa. So good.
Okay, take a deep breath. Let it out.
Oh.
Perfect. Okay, we gotta adjust your sacrum right here. Okay.
Oh.
Holy smokes. Okay, take a deep breath. Let it out. Wow.
Oh. That was really loud. Was that loud for you?
Yeah, that was loud. There you go.
Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh.
Squirrel came out. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, here we go. Take a deep breath.
Was it like out of adjustment like this way?
I love you. Bloodstone. There you go. Oh, wow. Take a deep breath. Get out. There you go. Woo. Get out. There you go.
Oh my god.
Woo. Take a deep breath. Get out.
Oh yeah. I never felt that before.
You needed that. Body's loosening up a lot.
Oh yeah, it is. I can actually feel it.
Up there. Get out. There you go.
Oh yeah. I love you. I feel so much better.
That was intense.